Hello, I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Kathy Sabin here in the 9 News Weather Center. Look at this day. I'm inside. Hopefully you're out there. It's beautiful out there, and we have crystal clear blue skies. We have light winds. We have excellent visibility in Denver and across the eastern plains. And so this is something that we will continue to enjoy throughout the afternoon as we continue to get in these amazing pictures of the fall foliage. The leaves are changing in the Colorado high country, and this could be the peak weekend for the best color. And so if you get a chance to get out and check out the leaves, take the pictures, send in the reports. We'd love to hear how things are looking. There'll still be color for several weeks to come, but due to the most recent storm, the record rain in Denver, the snow above 10,000 feet, some of the leaves have come down and more will come down as we start to see an increase in wind with a weather pattern shift heading into the weekend. It's September, best time of year in my opinion. Average high is 78, average low 48, but this is a month when we can have crazy extremes. Highs in the upper 90s, lows in the mid-teens. We can see over an inch of snow on average and, well, close to an inch of rain, which we certainly have already seen. This kind of weather earlier in the week, maybe it's getting you thinking about winterizing your home, and it is time to start thinking about that, as the average first snowfall is October 18th, but we've had snow as early as September 3rd. Also, the average day of the first freeze is October 7th, so time to maybe call the landscaper, get on the schedule for mid-October to kind of blow out the sprinklers and start thinking about snow tires and winterizing your car. There is no snow in Denver's short-term forecast. As a matter of fact, it's beautiful out there right now. We have fair skies and 73 degrees here at the studio, 72 at DIA, 75 in Central Park. The sky is extra blue today, and temperatures this afternoon will reflect just the unlimited sunshine and light winds. So we're in the mid-70s now. We'll come close to 80 for many areas. Already 78 in Lamar, 79 in Ray, 73 in Grand Junction, and 66 in Steamboat. Humidity values are coming down, as you might imagine, so not a lot of available moisture for afternoon showers or thunderstorms. So it should be basically a dry day statewide. And then again tomorrow, this trend continues. You can almost see the high pressure ridge just dominating the weather pattern. You can see how there's moisture west, moisture south, moisture east. We have a few showers coming into the Bay Area, San Francisco, scattered showers through New Orleans, along a line up into Atlanta, Washington, New York, and Boston. So anybody leaving Colorado coming in or out will run into possible airport delays in the south and the northeast, and that will be a trend today and tomorrow. Some scattered showers outside of Lake Tahoe and Reno, moving up through Las Vegas into western Utah. Not looking like that moisture is going to make it here into Colorado, but that is the closest weather system that could bring cloud cover and rain, so that's the one we're watching. Of greater impact are the showers in the Gulf, and then of course up in New York, Boston, Washington, Philadelphia, possible airport delays. We're starting to get some rain reports in from that part of the country. That trough of low pressure will lift northeast away from the area in about 48 hours, and high pressure is still our dominant feature. So with it placed over Colorado and the nation's heartland, we're going to see that storm track well north of us for Friday, for the weekend, and into the first part of next week. What that means for you is great travel, not a lot of moisture, even cloud cover to worry about. So any outdoor activities that you have, your hiking, your biking, weather won't be a really big concern. Some tropical moisture coming back up into the Great Basin and Four Corners area in about 72 hours. And notice southwestern Colorado might actually see a little bit of moisture as a result of that pattern shift. Denver stays dry, and then off to the east, again, the greatest impact from showers and storms will be Atlanta, Washington, and New York. And this will be from today through the next 72 hours. Futurecast is quiet, not much in the way of cloud cover or rain or snow. We've got a few high clouds coming into Grand Junction, Montrose, Telluride, and Durango around 6:30 tomorrow morning. Notice Denver, Colorado Springs, Fort Collins, all dry. A few high clouds drifting in the afternoon, but that still will not limit our temperature forecast or profile. It just may not be as pristine blue out there as the sky is today. 1:30 in the afternoon on Friday, there's a few light showers coming into Durango and Telluride, and temperatures there are very comfortable today in the upper 60s and mid 70s. Denver's high today 79. That's seasonal for the year. Low 80s expected Fort Collins and Greeley, southeastern Colorado and western Nebraska. Forecast low temperatures tonight, a bit chilly. So again, something to think about for tomorrow morning, like say at the bus stop, or if you're headed out for an early morning run before work or walking the dog, probably a sweatshirt in the morning. 49 degrees around 6-7 o'clock. 31 in Leadville tonight, 34 in Steamboat, and 35 in Lake City. The specific forecast for Denver for today: sunny and warmer, light winds. The sun came up at 6:49, and really just a beautiful afternoon. We'll top out close to 80. I don't think we'll get to 80 here in Denver, but some areas north, like Weld County, Larimer County, and out on the eastern plains could get there. 70s through 6 o'clock, upper 60s at 8 o'clock, and then we'll dip into the 40s by about the time the sun comes up tomorrow. Sunset tonight at 6:50 with 49 degrees and fair skies, and we have sunshine and 79 today. Low 80s for Friday and Saturday. A few clouds drifting in Sunday, but a warm, dry weather trend. Some of fall's finest coming up for the next 5 to 7 days. With the Broncos in town on Monday, a football forecast, it looks dry and mild, hopefully a winning forecast, and it will be great at 78 degrees, 79 on Tuesday, and 77 on Wednesday. Seeing a lot of beautiful fall foliage pictures coming in on the digital network. Again, if you're out and about, send in those reports and pictures. We'd love to see them. We'd love to hear how the drive was. We'd like to see where the leaves are peaking or changing, or maybe it's over. So if you get a great picture or report, send it in. You can email me at kathy.sabin@9news.com, or send those pictures in on social. So really beautiful weather forecast for today and for the rest of the week. And we will have so much more ahead for you today on 9 News at 3. So we'll see you in just a little bit.